goals, you'll learn how to take charge of your life by unlocking the power to manifest your destiny as well as achieving your true purpose in life. What is manifestation? It refers to the process, an action, or an event that clearly enables us to see or show us something abstract or conceptual. Basically, it is indicating the movement of transformation of a mind concept into a reality-based act. That's why we'll stress upon the factual information and thoughts, supply some practical strategies to help you knowing about how to convert your ideas and daydreaming into a tangible product. Everyone has an insight, a voice that comes from within one's soul. That is the voice which is responsible to direct us throughout life and make success and achievement of inner peace and happiness our destiny. That voice is constantly telling us, get up right now, take charge of your life, and manifest your destiny. It involves transforming yourself and taking charge of your life. If you are interested in staying constant, then life would take hold of you. Then you might never experience the true potential of yourself. Life is not only about the style of living, sleeping, eating, working, and traveling, but to explore, experiment, observe thoughtful processes, and make risks towards change. Change leads to improvement, so an important question is how to improve, how to change. For that purpose, what you need to do is take actionable steps for yourself. It is mandatory to push yourself out of the traditional zone, family values, controlling powers of other human beings, and meet the real you. This will transform your life. Think less, speak less, and observe more, both with eyes open and closed. It takes faith and action, one belief that you will succeed and one action that connects you with progress. With this combination, you're prepared for change. It's only you who can allow the change to take place. Don't ignore the power of change. This power takes you towards the opportunity of personal growth. The key to unlock your true spirits and road to find the peak of manifestation is be consistent and never give up. Because doubtlessly, being stagnant in life is being dead. Embrace change by participating as well as contributing little meaningful gestures each and every day for 365 days. Change is no doubt uncomfortable, and sometimes it can get daunting. This is absolutely normal whenever we traverse on a new journey. Whether it's a new job, a new relationship, or trying out things we never did before, there will be self-doubt and the fear of failure. That's completely normal and fine. Don't worry, as those are just merely thoughts where you worry of the unpredictable consequences you might face at the end of the journey. In order to combat all your self-doubts and the fear of failure, you need to strive for the transparency of mind. You can only achieve this by combating negativity. Clear your mind from negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are the ones discouraging you from initiating a transformation process and achieving your goals in life. There are a number of ways to control negative thought processes and replace them with healthy and positive visualization processes to foresee a better destiny. Here are some effective steps to regularly adopt as part of your daily routine to clear your mind from negativity. 1. Meditation. 2. Finding clarity. 3. Overcoming the shadows of delay. The first step in combating negativity is to practice meditation. Practice meditation daily for at least 20 minutes, 1 to 2 times a day. When you practice any form of meditation, it clears the negative thought processes that are highly likely to materialize. Meditation has been proven to be effective in controlling your negative thoughts or even eliminating them completely by countless research evidence. Your brain strongly holds and believes what you pay attention to. You are free to choose what you pay attention to. You are responsible for focusing on the things you want to focus on. This is what we call the power of mind. You are the controller of your mind and your thoughts. The second step to combat negativity is to find clarity. Finding clarity is about having a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, time to time, and what is your plan on how to move forward, as well as taking necessary steps when needed. Having a clear idea and positive outlook on what to expect from the future, an upcoming day, a task is what you need to focus on. Only then can you achieve what you want. To achieve what you want, try and execute the SMART goals steps. SMART goals are an authentic approach that appears to be more realistic and achievable when it comes to preparing goals for your life, whether short or long term. Prepare goals daily and review on a daily basis. Make note that they must be short, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based. The next step is to overcome the shadows of delay. Procrastination is the opposite of motivation. Motivation has barriers, including confusion, unrealistic goals, loss of the sense of reward, poor strategy to do routine practice, as well as irrational thoughts. It is common when options and possible solutions about a problem are not potentially explored. In order to overcome the shadows of delay, you need to keep the urgency and your desire in achieving your goals. Ensure you are deeply interested and connected in what you want to venture into. This helps you to set your mind to focus. Focus with a clear, concise plan of action. Your mind strongly holds and believes what you pay attention to. You are free to choose what you pay attention to. You are responsible for focusing on the things you want to focus on. That is what we call power of mind. You are in control of your mind and thoughts, where your thoughts are changeable as they are in our control.